What is happening, my third grade amigos? It's me, third grade teacher here at Lafayette Upper Elementary School. Yeah, that's right, it's Mr. Engel. And today we're going to be making change with Mr. Engel. You see my dollar bills, you see my coins, and you're about to hear my sound effects. So let's get right into it.
Access granted.
We are looking to purchase a cookie for $1.25. This is how much money you have in your wallet, $2. How much change would I get back after I make that purchase? Well, what I need you to do right now is pause, and what you can do is try it out on your own. So go ahead and pause right now. No, seriously, pause right now, go down below this video and answer the first question on how much change you would get if you had $2 and you bought a cookie for $1.25. Pause it now.
Do it, man, do it.
Go ahead and pause, knowing that we will be going over it in just a moment. And time is up. So what you should have been thinking about is your money is going to go down. So when our money goes down, we want to subtract. We have $2 in our wallet. We purchased $1.25 worth of a delicious cookie. And we need to subtract. We need to figure out how much change is left over, how much money we can put back in our wallet or a pocketbook or a purse or whatever you carry your money in. Well, let's start here. 0 minus 5 I cannot do. I need to regroup. So when I regroup, I make this 0 10, and I'm able to turn this 20 as I regroup it into a 19, and that's how I get the 10 over here. Well, let's line it up. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Bring down, as you line up the decimal, you bring down the decimal. And our answer is 75 cents. So congratulations if you got 75 cents on this one. You'd have gotten the right answer. That question was sweet. Well, let's try a question similar to the first one, but this one looks kind of fishy. Once again, we've got money in our pocket and we're looking to purchase something. And the question is, how much change am I going to get back? Well, in these money problems, they don't tell you how much money you have in your pocket or in your wallet or in your purse. They show you. And so here, if I count my biggest amount first, that's $1, that's $2, that's $3, and I have 2 quarters, I know that it is $3 and 50 cents. And I also know that my fish that I'm looking to purchase is $3.38. And I can see that they're pretty close to each other, so I'm not going to get a lot of change back once I purchase. And there's a few ways we can do this. Let me do our traditional way where I have $3.50 and I buy something for $3.38. and 38 cents. And I need to regroup. I need to regroup and make this a 4. And so if I am subtracting 10 minus 8 is 2. And 4 minus 3 is 1. And 3 minus 3 is 0. All right. Well, I can do it this way and I get 12 cents and I would be right. But if I count up from 338 to 350, I would be able to get that as well. Well, how do I count up if I'm trying to figure out how much change I get? Well, if I have a fish that costs $3.38 and I count up towards what I have of $3.50, well, let's make it into something a little bit more manageable. So if I add 2 pennies to 3.38, I will then have $3.40. I could change that. I'm not quite at $3.50, but I've got like a manageable amount of $3.40. And if I have $3.40 and I need to get to $3.50, I'm just 10 cents away. So I'll just need to add a dime to my amount. And if you check it out, I would have $3.50 if I added 12 cents to the total of the fish. A few ways to figure it out. You can try both ways because both ways send you to the right answer.
That was easy.
Yes, it was.
That was easy.
Let's take a look at this new problem. You've got some money in your wallet and you want to buy candy for $2.67. How much more money do I need? Uh-oh. Warning. Warning. This one's a little different from the ones that we've already done. So what I want you to do is pause it and see if you could find the answer in the question below. No, seriously, I need you to pause it and answer the question to your best of your ability below. All right, thanks for pausing and going down below. How do we solve this problem of how much more money we need to buy this candy for $2.67? Well, let's figure out how much money we have because it doesn't tell us how much money we have. It shows us in a picture how much money we have. So I would figure that out. If I've got $1, I've got $2, I've got $2.25, $2.35, $2.40, $2.41 as I crossed out and counted those bills and coins. Okay, well this is a problem I can manage here.
OMG.
Let's figure it out. Well, what I want to buy something that's $2.67. I have $2.41, and I need to figure out how much more money I need. Well, not much borrowing going on here, which I like, and you probably do too. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. I'll bring down my decimal point. And I need 26 more cents till I can buy this delicious candy. Okay, last question I have for you is how much was the pumpkin? You've got this amount of money in your pocket, $5. You bought a pumpkin, and then you have this amount of money left. All right, so that should send off a warning. This is different from the other two as well. We've already known how much the object is in all of our previous problems, and here we have no idea. What we do know is how much money we had to start and how much money we had when our purchase was made. So take a moment and pause and try to figure out how much the pumpkin cost. No, seriously. I need you to pause and try to figure it out, knowing that we'll go over it together in just a moment. All right, so how did you tackle this one? Well, I knew I had $5 because it says there's $5 in my pocket. I didn't really have to count too much. But this is how much change I received. $1, $1.50, $1.60, $1.62. Well, to figure out how much that pumpkin was, I need to subtract. Well, let's regroup like we've done before. This becomes a 10, and I group these two together. It becomes a 49. And if you subtract 10 minus 2, you get 8. And if you get 9 minus 6 is 3. And 4 minus 1 is 3, and you bring down the decimal point. I got $3.38 for the cost of that pumpkin. Let's party. Well, I do thank you for following along and pausing for some of the questions and answering them below. Please, please, please go slow when working on making change questions. And of course, have yourselves a wonderful day.